Okay, we'll learn how to make ABC ID for students of Northeastern Hill University, and this particular student doesn't have Aadhaar number, but he has PAN card, PAN number. So we'll be using PAN card and see how we can do it. We can use this abc.gov.in or digilocker.gov.in. Both of them, they work. Okay, their interface may be a little bit different, but more or less they are same only. I prefer digilocker because that's where ultimately we go, but you can create from abc.gov.in also. Okay, let's start. This is the interface of Academic Bank of Credit, Ministry of Education, Government of India. Simply click on My Account and click on Student. Then you it says sign into your account via digilocker. It doesn't have, so let me make a new account. So this person doesn't have digilocker account, he said, so let me make a new account. So let me click here on new user sign up. So let me click on sign up and give the mobile number of this person. So put the mobile number, generate OTP. I have received the OTP. Let me paste it here and verify OTP. So verification of OTP is done. So let me click select identity type. You have three options: PAN, driving license, and Aadhaar. So let me click on PAN because this person has PAN. Paste here. PAN is pasted. You have to put the date of birth here. Then select the gender. Then make a username. And create a unique password that you can remember. So I have given the username and password. Let me verify. So once I have verified, it's directing. So it's asking for some permission. Kindly allow it. If you deny, you cannot make it. So kindly allow it. Once I allow, it'll give me straight option for the ABC ID. So let me select identity type as a roll number. Dash Eastern Hill University, admission year is 2024. So I have put identity type as roll number, ID value as roll number, college roll number, student of Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, and year is 2024. Now simply click submit and your ABC ID should be generated. That's how simple it is. So there I have clicked, and there you go, ABC ID has been generated successfully. And let me go to dashboard and see how it looks like. There you go. This is my ABC ID. I can simply this is the number I have. So this number that you see in your ABC credit ID, this is your ABC ID. Okay, so when the college will ask you or university will ask you to give your ABC ID, Academic Bank of Credit ID, do not give the name of your bank like State Bank of India or Central Bank of India. It is a number just like your Aadhaar. So this is unique to you. Kindly save it and keep it. From here I'm unable to download it, so at least I can see. So what I can do, I can simply do snipping, and simply I can make a snapshot of this ID. Okay, there you go. I have the ID. I'll simply send it to the student who has created. So this is how you create with a PAN card. You don't need your Aadhaar number, but still you can still log into digilocker and see your ABC ID there. Okay, thank you.